District Governor, Major Donor P.R. Ajit, followed by Past District Governor, Major Donor Babu Joseph. Following them is Assistant Governor, Rotarian K.S. Rajan, and Secretary, Rotarian Rajiv. Incoming Secretary, Rotarian Abraham Vettel, and Sujit Adams.
And his team of office bearers of Rotary Club of Cochin Midtown for the year 1230 is hereby called to order. Please rise for invocation.
The invocation will be rendered by Rotarian K.V. Srikumar.
ऊर्ध्वमूलमथ शाखम् अश्वत्थं प्राहुरव्ययम् छन्दांसि यस्य पर्णानि यस्तं वेद स वेदविल् नैनं छिन्दन्ति शस्त्राणि नैनं दहति पावकः.
Rotary President Kumar, President-elect Rotarian Damodaran, dignitaries on and off the dais, fellow Rotarians and ladies and gentlemen. Rotary wheel has taken one more turn and the time has come for the change of guards in all the Rotary clubs all over the world. Before I go into my assigned duty of welcoming you all, let me take this opportunity to congratulate Rotarian Kumar for doing wonderful projects in this year and taking the club to greater heights and bringing laurels. Congratulations, President Kumar, for a work well done. We have with us our own past district governors, Rotarian P.R. Ajit and Rotarian Babu Joseph. I extend a very warm welcome to both of them. Our good friend, Rotarian past President K.S. Rajan as Assistant Governor. And I welcome you, sir, to this function. The GGR of this club is none other than our own President, Rotarian Kumar, and I welcome you, sir. A warm welcome to our incoming Innovative President, Rotary and Meera Kumar. I welcome all the Rotary district officials, residents and secretaries of sister clubs, and other invited guests. Once again, welcome to you all and wish you an enjoyable evening. Thank you.
May I now welcome you to address the club for the last time as the President of the Rotary Club of Cochin Midtown.
A very good evening to you all. Our louder A.G. Rajan, PDG Babu Joseph, PDG P.R. Ajit, my President-elect Ramoji, Secretary Rajiv, First Lady, and the incoming Secretary Vittorji, the leaders of the dais, my dear fellow Rotarians and invited guests. With the completion of our Midtown Vocational Training Center and getting inaugurated by the none other than our RI President, Rotarian Kalyan Banerjee, started my year with flying colors. As my trainer and advisor, past President Dr. Shekhar Warrior was by my side whenever I needed him. The 18 regional awards and 38 district awards vouches the amount of activities done during this year. And thanks to all my members and signers. Wishing you all success for the coming year. Be an example, belong and participate, and reach within to embrace humanity. Thank you.
PDG Babu Joseph acknowledges the presence of Dr. Gafur over here. Give me a round of applause.
Past District Governor Ajit here would like to acknowledge the presence of my friend Mr. A. Ravindra from Bangalore.
President-elect Rotarian Damodaran and dignitaries on and off the dais, presidents and secretaries of sister clubs, members of our club and sister clubs, aunts and uncles. Good evening to you all. First, let me thank my president and my team of board members for supporting me in my role as secretary. Before proceeding to present my report, I would like to highlight a major achievement during the last year. Our club has won the Best Club Award and the Best President Award and Changemaker Award and several other awards for the Rotary year 2011-12.
PDGs P.R. Ajit and Babu Joseph, incoming President Damodaran, dignitaries on the dais and friends. That is why our award, trophies and merit certificates, excellence certificates have the editor's name prominently engraved on them. Editor first prize winner Bank of India from Bombay, second prize winner Milk Group from Ernakulam, and third prize winner Zuari Simmons from Bangalore. First prize is Mr. S.M. Shakil, the editor of Taranga. The second prize winner is Miss Vandana Thambi, editor of Mirabilia of the MEM Group. The third prize winner, Mr. Jacob Matthew, editor of Zuit, that is a Zuari Cement Limited.
Now invite Rotarian past President K.V. Augustine.
It is very difficult to go into the details of Damodaran. It may take hours together. Rotarian Damodaran was born to Mrs. and Mr. C.S. Nambiar, Vellanu House, Koratti in Trichy district. He was born on 15th September and the year of his birth is not known. After his graduation, he did his LLB and MBA. He joined Federal Bank as an officer and thereafter took the CAIIB certification also. He held various posts in Federal Bank: accountant, branch manager, regional and zonal manager, head of credit, etc. at different branches and offices. He worked in 21 offices spread all over India. He retired as the General Manager, Federal Bank. He joined Rotary Club of Trivandrum North in 1991. He was fortunate to have exposure to various avenues and activities of Rotary thereafter. He is married to Mrs. Leela and they are blessed with 2 sons. The elder son, Rajiv, took his BTech and MTech from Indian Institute of Technology. He is presently working with Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Bangalore. The second son, Ranjit, took his BTech from National Institute of Technology. Presently, he is working with IBM Bangalore. My dear friends, it's my pleasure and privilege to present Rotarian Damodaran, our President for the year 2012-13.
Count the presence of our Charter President, P.M. Chako.
Welcome, sir.
I am happy to install the new President. And on the caller, I hereby install Rotarian Damodaran as the new President of Rotary Club of Cochin Midtown and affecting the President's appointment on him. I am handing out the gavel to you. Please do this judiciously and sparingly. I hereby hand over the charter. Please keep it under safe custody. This is our new President, Rotarian Damodaran.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give it away for the new President, the 30th of the Rotary Club of Cochin Midtown, Rotarian V. Damodaran.
The President Rotarian Damodaran will now proceed to do his first official duty as the President of the Rotary Club of Cochin Midtown by installing Rotarian Kumar as the immediate past President.
May I request the President to present a memento to our immediate past President, Rotarian Kumar, as the President of our club. And as a symbolic gesture, may I request the President, Rotarian Damodaran, along with the dignitaries on the dais, to light the ceremonious lamp as an auspicious beginning to the year's activity, spreading light as a mark of purity, divinity, and symbolizing a bright year ahead for the Midtowners in general and Rotary in particular.
सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां